Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn graphic design at home on Mobile Easy Guide. Open a free mobile design app and create a 720 by 1280 canvas, then practice arranging text and shapes. Focus on contrast, spacing, and alignment as you mock up a simple poster. Try one technique per session and save versions to track progress. Keep projects short, repeat exercises, and review your work with fresh eyes for steady growth. Developing core skills on mobile is practical and fun, and you can do it with just a phone and determination. Spend 15 to 30 minutes daily on focused drills like color matching, type pairing, and layout grids. Recreate posters or social posts you admire to reverse engineer choices. Use built-in guides and grids in your app, and compare iterations to notice improvement. Small, consistent practice leads to meaningful design progress over time. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker I mentioned earlier. It makes design sessions feel cozier and keeps tunes handy. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you like. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Pick a mobile app that handles layers, vector shapes, and exports PNG or PDF, so your work is flexible. Supplement with free assets like icons and images to accelerate learning and keep results polished. Join daily or weekly challenges to force creative decisions and build a small portfolio you can share. Bookmark a few tutorial channels and templates to reference, and iterate on real projects to develop confidence and process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.